Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a poem, a house and a home. Okay? So, first of all, I will tell you about the poet. This poem has been written by Lauren M. Harley. Okay? So, before we start the poem, we should know about the poet also. This poem has been written by an American poet, Lauren M. Harley. She was born on 27 April 1921 in USA and she died on 7 September 2006. When she died, she was at the age of 85. Okay? And her writing style is very simple yet thought-provoking. In this poem, she aims to make a clear distinction between a house and a home. Okay, so before we start the poem, we should aware about the objectives of the poem. Basically, the first aim is to enable the first aim of any poem is to enable the beauty of rhyme. Okay, but in this poem, the main objective of the poem is to know the importance of family and to know the difference between a house and a home. Okay, now shall we start? Okay, in first stanza, I am reading first stanza. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Okay, first I will explain first stanza. Okay, so in first stanza the poet is asking herself that what is a house. Here the poetess asks a question with herself. Okay, what a house is. Then she herself answers that it's brick and stone. The house is made up of bricks and stones and wood that's hard, and wood is also used in making a house. Okay, and wood, stone, bricks all are very hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. Some window glasses are also used while making a house. Okay, and perhaps a yard, and it may have a small garden. Okay, yard means garden. It's eaves and chimneys and the floor and tile floors. Okay, so here the eaves means the edges of the roof. Okay, it has the edges of the roof. And chimneys everyone knows, it is used in kitchens mostly. Okay, chimneys which conduct smoke. Okay, and tiles floors, and floors are made up of tiles. And stucco and roof, what do you mean by stucco? Stucco means plastered wall. Okay, it's like a coating that are done on the wall. Okay, and lots of doors, and there are lots of doors in a house. A kitchen has a door, rooms has a door. Okay, so many doors are there. Okay, so now comes to the second stanza. What is a home? Now the poetess asks herself, and again the other question, that what is a home? What does a home mean? Okay, it's loving and family and doing for others. Home means where a family members live together and they love with each other, they cares with each other. Okay, they cares for each other. It's brothers and sisters where brothers and sisters live together, and fathers and mothers also live together. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved one once you are always caring. Okay. So basically all the family members where they live together, that is known as home. They act unselfishly, they care for each other, they share for each other, they show their caring, sharing and love with each other. So I'm sure you have a clear view now, and you all have known about the difference between a house and a home. Okay, now don't get confused about these two similar words. This is the explanation of this poem. Thank you.